welcome to Granny's Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make magic circle or magic ring and how to work in it. So let's begin. Cross the yarn like this and grab this long strand with your finger. Insert your hook in this loop and carefully make chain 1. Do not lose this small strand. One more time. Cross the yarn. Grab this long strand. Insert your hook and make chain 1. Hold this small strand with your fingers and make any stitch you want to do in this magic circle, like double crochet, single crochet or half double crochet. Once completed, pull this small strand to make this magic circle tight. Make slip stitch into first stitch to close your magic circle. So this is magic circle. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.